Introducing the Mark-10 MTT05-12 Torque Tester, a versatile and high-precision instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy and reliability. Engineered by Mark-10, a leading name in the field of force and torque measurement, the MTT05-12 is an indispensable tool for various applications across industries. With its wide measurement range, exceptional accuracy, fast sampling rate, and intuitive operation, the MTT05-12 is the ultimate solution for your torque testing needs. Key features: wide measurement range. The MTT05-12 offers a broad measurement range of up to 12 inch-pounds, 192 Osman/14 kgfcm/135 Newton centimeters/1.35 Newton meters, making it suitable for testing a diverse range of products and components. Exceptional accuracy. With an impressive accuracy of 0.3% of full scale, this torque tester provides highly precise and dependable measurements, ensuring confidence in your test results. Fast sampling rate. Equipped with a blazingly fast sampling rate of 7,000 Hz, the MTT05-12 captures even the most rapid torque fluctuations, enabling accurate analysis of dynamic applications. Intuitive operation. Designed with simplicity in mind, the MTT05-12 features an intuitive user interface, allowing operators of all skill levels to conduct tests efficiently and effortlessly. Versatile connectivity. The torque tester comes with a range of connectivity options, including USB, RS-232, Mitutoyo, and analog outputs, facilitating integration with various data acquisition systems. Benefits: improved quality control. The MTT05-12's precise measurements help manufacturers ensure the quality of their products by identifying and rectifying any torque-related issues. Enhanced product development. By accurately measuring torque values, the MTT05-12 enables engineers to optimize product designs and improve performance. Increased efficiency. The fast sampling rate and intuitive operation of the MTT05-12 streamline the testing process, saving time and resources. Reliable data. With its exceptional accuracy and precision, the MTT05-12 provides reliable data that can be used for analysis, documentation, and decision-making. Versatile applications. The MTT05-12's wide measurement range and connectivity options make it suitable for a variety of applications, including automotive, aerospace, medical, and consumer goods. Conclusion: the Mark-10 MTT05-12 Torque Tester is a powerful and versatile tool that delivers accurate and reliable torque measurements. Its wide measurement range, exceptional accuracy, fast sampling rate, and intuitive operation make it an indispensable asset for quality control, product development, and research applications. Invest in the MTT05-12 and experience the highest standards of precision and reliability in torque measurement.